Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this beautiful trendy love or heart shape back dress. You will be needing fabric, hook and eye, scissors, tailor's chalk, tape rule. Fold your fabric into two. Add your zip allowance, 1.5 inch is okay. Put your measurement, which is the bust measurement, waist, armhole, shoulder, and the half length. For the neckline, use 1.5 inch depth and 2.5 inches for the width. From the top, come down by 6 inches. From the down, come up by 5 to 6 inches. Draw an heart shape. At the zip allowance, come out by 0.5 inch to prevent zip bulge. You have something like this. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos.